In this demo, we will automate content generation using AI. I will use a manual trigger to run the workflow. Here, I provide a topic for content generation. Now I will use AI to generate content based on this topic. The AI will generate content based on the given topic. I connect the nodes to complete the workflow. Let's execute the workflow and generate content. The AI has generated a social media post instantly. We can change the topic and generate different content dynamically. This workflow takes input data and uses AI to generate content automatically. This is how we can automate content creation using AI. In this demo, we will generate content using AI and automatically save it. I will use a manual trigger to execute the workflow. Here, I provide a topic for generating content. Now I use AI to generate content based on this topic. The AI will generate a content post automatically. Now I will save this generated content into Google Sheets. I choose Append Row to store the content as a new row. I select the sheet where the data will be stored. I map the topic and AI-generated content to the sheet columns. Let's execute the workflow and save the content. The generated content has been successfully saved in the sheet. This workflow generates content using AI and stores it automatically. This helps in managing and storing AI-generated content efficiently.